Hi, this is Suzanne. I'm here with the Sanford Edible Garden Trail, and today we're here with John Hay from Sustainable Horticulture, and we're in his backyard, which is the southern suburbs of Brisbane, about 20 minutes out of the city. And today we're going to talk about what to do if you have a corner of your backyard that's prone to bogginess. And John's got a really interesting system that he's set up here with fish and fruit trees, and I'm really keen. I'm going to hand it over to you, John, and can you show us what you've set up?
All right, thanks for having me, guys. This area of the yard was originally quite boggy. It was originally a grassed area and it was very boggy in here. So I'd come up with this system to try and alleviate some of the bogginess and capture more water on my property to use at a later stage. The main idea behind the pond was twofold. It was partly to do with the fish. So this provides an area to grow my fish out and keep the production stage going through. So just like plants at a seedling stage, I can raise my little fish into the bigger tank and then put them out here and have the smaller fish / seedlings coming through behind. This area also serves a purpose as an ecological function. So this provides habitat for the frogs, lizards and snakes at some points in time. It also provides water for the bees, which is also an added bonus. The bees love a close water source, and especially a pure one at that. So yeah, this works quite well here. The water is fed from the shed roof where it's captured. You'd be surprised that minimal amounts of rainfall will fill this pond up pretty quick. So 2 or 3 millimetres will add quite a lot of water into this system. If there's excess rainfall, the rainfall is then broadcast out and overflows into the fruit tree area. So it acts as a natural fertilisation system, basically, using the fish waste and capturing water, which is key for growing plants.
Fantastic. And you've got a lot of fruit trees here, so you've chosen this is the area to plant them with this natural this understanding that they're getting fed fertiliser like this.
Yeah, I guess the fruit trees were there for space there, and the function was to be able to feed those trees when there was water available, and yeah, it works well.
And what have you planted around here?
I've got particular types of grass and bananas. The bananas act as a water pump, so they pump up water very effectively. So any potential bogginess in there is pumped up by the bananas. I'm also trying to grow some passion fruits overhead, and I've also got a strawberry guava. The grasses provide habitat for frogs and different lizard species. I've also got some mint and a native violet as ground cover, so that gets pretty rampant. And all this is basically covered with mulch at different stages. And a lot of it is self-seeding and grows without a lot of input from me.
Yeah. So the mint and the native violet, they like an area that's a little bit boggy and that there's more water. So and the bananas too, so you don't have to worry about watering the bananas.
No, I've never watered those things. Yeah. The violet and the mint. The violet's great for stabilising banks as well, so it's a native. The flowers are edible, you can eat the flowers. And I've also got a lotus in the pond, so lotus root whenever I want to harvest that. Provides a little bit of cover for the pond as well to prevent evaporation losses, as well as the banana trees around us here. So really trying to shade as much of this pond area as I can as well to try and prevent any losses.
All right, and what's the type of fish in there?
Barcoo grunter. So the same fish that are coming out of my tanks over there come into here.
Yeah, thank you. So we've also got another video, and we'll put the link up there, where John's just showed us his aquaponics system in a bit more detail. So we'll put the link if you're interested, and it's right from the fingerling stage up to the full stage, and how it integrates with growing lettuces and a couple of wicking beds. So thank you very much. It's been great visiting your garden today.
That's all right. Cheers, guys.
Thank you. And if you enjoyed this video, we are going to keep going to other gardens all around southeast Queensland. So it's all about sharing ideas to encourage more of us to grow food in our own backyards. So if you like this kind of thing, please subscribe to our channel and keep watching. Thank you.
Cheers.